Kigomano-ini kia o mwaka kia andikani bururiini umuthi gitariirie haria bururi uri kiwonjoria na thogora wa muturire. Riboti ya mwaka wa 2024 ikionania bururi ndurathie wega. Kuringana na riboti ya World Citizenship ya mwaka muthiru wa 2024, Rwanda, Uganda na Tanzania magwetetwo mabũrũri maria marendwo muno ni AIGITHIA undu uria FKE yugite ni wa kumakania.
Notably, the 2024 World Citizenship Report ranked Rwanda, Uganda and Tanzania as more attractive destinations for high net worth individuals than Kenya, highlighting growing concerns about our investment climate. And this is unprecedented. We know that Kenya has always been at the top.
Toguo tu amwe igoti ria nyumba ria gicunjĩ kia 1.5 harĩ igana na igoti ria motungata ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ no kĩhĩngĩca kĩngĩ kĩrĩa AIGITHIA mararemererwo gũthingatithia.
Industrial harmony is not merely a goal for us. It is a critical enabler of national stability, enterprise productivity and socio-economic progress. In this regard, we call on all social partners to uphold the principles of trust, transparency, mutual respect and good faith in all engagements, and this is for the good of all of us.
FKE ningĩ irauga namba ya arutwo arĩa mararĩkia mathomo ma ngathĩ ya igũrũ na marĩ na ũmenyo wa mawĩra mao no gĩcunjĩ kĩnini kĩrona mawĩra ma wabici ũkĩringithanio na mĩaka ya hau kabere.
This decline comes at a time when between 800,000 and 1.2 million new job seekers enter the labor market annually, while more than 5 million people remain unemployed. This stark mismatch between job creation and labor market demand illustrates a harsh reality that Kenya is educating its youth for a lifetime of unemployment unless something changes.
Gũkĩrĩ ũguo FKE nĩ ĩtũgĩrĩtie maũndũ ma mendekithia watho-inĩ wa kĩgĩna no makauga kũhe mweke KIARA gũthuthuria mĩtambo ya onjoria no kũguoyohia AIGITHIA ona kũingĩrĩra riboti cia thiri cia makambuni.
The proposal to grant KIARA access to trade secrets and personal data for integration into the electronic tax management system, as this raises significant concerns around privacy and confidentiality. We strongly oppose the introduction of a 5-year cap on the deductibility of tax losses and the removal of the 15% corporate income tax incentive for local motor vehicle assemblers, which could undermine local manufacturing.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura Wadongo.